So at the ferry terminal, everything is well marked. I'm in the line right now to Victoria, and some other lanes are to the Gulf Islands. They have all the information on the website for which lane you go into, how much it costs, and so forth. Now here, of course, is a classic, the orca whale, and lovely park area. And then over here, across the way, is the port. And look at all the cranes they have. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. You can hear the wind. This is a huge, huge area. Okay, so here's inside of the mall. Lots of clothing shops, souvenirs. You've got ATMs, brochures. You can leave your vehicle and walk around until it's time to board. Okay, so way in the distance is the entrance, the gates I passed through. All the lanes are well marked with numbers. And you just get into your lane an hour ahead of time. And then you can walk around. And here we are at the other end, where we're going to be boarding. That's the lane we're waiting in. Another view of the market area, the restaurants, the terminal.
Do I get Starbucks? I already had coffee.
And for those of you who have kids, there's a lovely playground area. Here's another view of the other terminal departures and a view of where we will start to board. You see the lanes, and then there's areas where people are walking on. There's also a lane for people cycling onto the ferry, and a lane for trucks. So it's incredibly well organized. Okay, here's a view of the stairs. They're steep, so those of you who have knee problems, take the elevator. And now I'm on one deck level, and it's not the deck with food, so it's going to be less busy. And here you can see inside. It's lovely. Nice seats to sit inside and stay warm. Standing on the ferry deck. We're going to be taking off soon. There's the port near Tawasin. And now you can see where we're docked. And look at this, people. It's 10 a.m. in the morning and not a person outside. It's fantastic. I have the whole deck to myself. You can see these ferries are clean, they're modern, efficient, they're fun. For my van, for 25 feet total length was my bike rack. I paid $127 including tax. They charge by the length of your vehicle. They have different rates if you're a passenger on foot. They've got everything covered. Here's one of the lifeboats, interesting to see. Look at this. Just phenomenal. Okay, in the background there, the people are looking at the Gulf Islands, which is about halfway towards Vancouver Island. A lot of very expensive houses on that island.